Welcome to Living in the Journey. I'm Nat.
I'm Sean.
Yeah, I'm Bella.
Tico's taking a nap right now, so we didn't want to wake him up. This week, you get a chance to see us designing our cabinet for our new sink that finally came in.
Yeah, it's the new sink's pretty cool. We knew that was like one of the first decisions we made, is that we wanted a farmhouse sink in the RV.
Yeah. So what I had to do this week was try to design the platform to house the sink in. There's a lot of little bitty areas that was confusing and challenging, but I think we overcame all that and we're making headway.
What else we see in this video, Sean?
I got a lot of drone footage, real cool drone footage of empty playgrounds and stuff like
And
that.
if you didn't see on the playlist, he is going to be inputting in some fun, cool things about DJI products in particular, because we've bought in with 3 already. But this is not nothing new for Sean, so he's given some instructional things on that, because we've had a few questions on videography, what we're using, what we do.
How you got that shot?
Yeah, I'm more of a still gal. I've been doing still photography for over 20 years, so the videography aspect is completely new for me. But I like this kind of style. Sean's really great with the editing and the time lapse and him doing his work, and it's just fun. He flies everything.
Yeah.
So anything, if it flies, he wants to fly it.
Today my back hurts, so I'm gonna try to sit down a little bit more and I'm gonna pull staples off the floor for a little while. Me and Tico's in the bus. He's sniffing around. Hey, yoy. So now it's Sunday afternoon. Natalie wanted some crawfish, so she found a company that actually delivered the seafood over to the house. So we got some crawfish. We received some boxes from Home Depot. We kind of ordered a sink. We got some vent covers, a couple other items, and we're gonna go ahead and cut them, get them out the box, and disinfect it before we bring it into the camper. looking at this sink, the way we're gonna have to put it into here, I'm gonna have to cut a hole right here, and the sink's gonna protrude probably about 1.5 inches. I'm gonna have to build a base. So I'm gonna pull this whole front this cabinet off, and I'm gonna build a self-standing base that's gonna allow the sink to sit at this height, because the countertop is gonna sit on top of that. The sink is gonna be underslung. So we're gonna build a base to hold the sink first. Hopefully everything will match up. I'm laying out for the cut for the sink, for the doors, and for all the drawers that we have right now. We had some current drawers that I pulled out on the old one, and we're gonna try to reuse them. I have to make a petition right here so we can build a deck that's gonna house the sink. So we're gonna lay this all out so we can start cutting it. Give you the breakdown of what we got. I'm probably gonna put a couple of more 1x2s right around right here. I'm gonna try to put that drain in, see what it looks like. I know I'm probably gonna also have to cut this drain pipe and lower it at least maybe 4 inches. That means I might have to cut it over here in the 45. So drop it down and it's gonna slide it back. So it looks like it's gonna work out. So Natalie's been picking out floor colors, and
we picked countertop.
Yeah, that was last minute.
That's usually a good decision.
Yeah.
So when we both agree on something, we have a little bit of a struggle agreeing on flooring.
Yeah,
but I think
yeah.
we will be able to decide when that countertop comes in, because either what I'm thinking is going to completely clash or be completely amazing.
I have a buddy of mine who's in Raceland that I want him to build me a custom butcher block that's gonna slide out from underneath our countertop, and I've been talking with him, and he's kind of excited too. So maybe we can showcase him on some of this as well.
Yeah, Raceland, Louisiana, by the way.
Yeah.
So that's it for this week's video, and hope you've been enjoying our videos lately, and don't forget to like and subscribe.